here's that mess on the Treasure Coast, makes it down to Stewart, maybe even to Jupiter. Then it goes away. By the time the sun comes out, we do see some breaks of sun, and by the afternoon, some showers and storms out there. The focus down to the south, less the farther north you head, maybe just a passing shower to the north. So here are your rain chances up along northern Treasure Coast, 10 to 20%, 30 to 40, and then 50 if you head farther south into Miami. Rain chances do drop for Wednesday and Thursday, but we bring them back up for next weekend as another little surge of tropical moisture heads our way. But we could just be seeing that at nighttime, and then during the day it pushes inland. Seas will be building again with that swell. Boaters beware coming in and out of the inlets like Jupiter Inlet and also Boynton Inlet. Very dangerous. Waves break across the inlet and may look nice and calm, but when a set comes, it won't be. Rough surf too, again, not for the beginners out there, experienced surfers only. Head high to overhead, it'll be pretty powerful at some of the bigger wave spots we have here. Upper 80s to near 90 degrees for highs the next few days, so the heat's starting to abate a little bit. Again, rain chances go back up by the weekend.